Today, I'm going to tell you how to remove the ginger skin easily. For this, I've taken a ginger that's available generally in the market. We tend to use the knife constantly to remove the skin from the ginger. What we observe is the skin doesn't peel out very well, or we tend to lose a lot of flesh of the ginger while removing this skin. You can see there's considerable amount of flesh that goes off while removing it. Or we also sometimes use the peeler. The surface of the ginger is not ideal for peeler also, because you will see that there are a lot of twists and turns in the body of the ginger which the peeler would not be able to attend to. For this, the best idea then would be to utilize a spoon. You can see here that I'm using the spoon. I'm using the face of the spoon to remove the skin of the ginger. You will be amazed to see the thickness of the skin that comes out, which is as thin as a paper and with very minimal flesh that is lost. The spoon can also be used to run through and remove the skin from all the edges.